I'm Josh.
And I'm Allison.
And welcome to the Earthadelic Road Show.
More like the Earthadelic Road Trip again.
All right, today's road show has us trekking all the way up out of state. We're here in London, Kentucky, and we're going to be looking at just one property today because look how stunning it is.
I mean, we love those Earthadelic road trips, don't we, Josh?
Absolutely. So this project up here in London encompasses absolutely everything from all of the work that you see behind us on the landscaping and the driveway and the pavers to a fantastic pool that you saw in that intro shot and everything that went with it. So
I can't wait to show this.
Yeah, I'm excited. Let's check it out. Okay, before we get to the fantastic pool in the back and all the bells and whistles that come with it, I want to touch base about everything we did here in the front. So as we mentioned before, we're out in London, Kentucky, and these customers have 90 acres out here that they basically let us come in and design and play with around this beautiful custom home that they already had built. Let's start with the landscaping. As you can see, we've got the beautiful river rock beds behind us. We've got trees planted all over the place, and these trees are gonna get huge. It's gonna really look fantastic out here. We did the hardscape paths here, border around their driveway and their parking pad area, bell guard pavers that look absolutely fantastic. You can see we did the entire entrance to the home. Lots of path lights, lots of landscape lighting here. We've got the entire property irrigated as well. These cool pea gravel sections here off to a wonderful bubbling boulder. And this is such a cool, unique feature here that really adds character to the front entrance of the home. And the cool part about this is we sourced it locally right here in London, Kentucky, which was really cool because we didn't have to trek it all the way from Knoxville and East Tennessee across state lines. So absolutely fantastic what we were able to design and install out here and really turn a beautiful home into an amazing magazine-worthy experience when you come visit.
All right, let's dig into all the fun stuff. I'm up here with the pool with the beautiful jets that are cascading into the pool itself, and then the sheer face waterfall that's over here going over this blue onyx tiling that is just gorgeous with this blue plaster. It's like this sapphire blue plaster. But to get up here, you've got a boulder wall, flagstone steppers, and then these beautiful steps that go up to the pool decking itself. So let's look around. The pool decking up here matches the driveway that's up front. It's got the beautiful bell guard pavers down here as well. And then we've got 6 of the jets, the deck jets that go into the pool, creating just another sense of ambiance and excitement with this pool. It's not like any other pool around, so you have a little bit of an extra feature, and it's a lot of fun to play in as well. Get a little extra cool down. And then we've got LED lights throughout, a tanning ledge, and John touch on all the landscaping and stonework that's around this area.
So Allison gave you all the details about the pool. I absolutely love those deck jets, and then this tanning ledge is fantastic. But that's not all that you have back here in this outdoor living space. We did extensive hardscape work here, not just here on the pool deck, but we've got this beautiful space that goes underneath the existing deck frame here. You've got this blue stone that caps the walls and is on the steps. Comes down to more hardscaping. This is the same bell guard pavers down here. We've got all these beautiful landscape beds with the creek rock and then all the landscaping here. And then what's really cool about this is the drainage system. We've got a culvert drain down here. You're not gonna have standing water down from the pool deck. And then all the lighting, everything's irrigated. It is completely hands-free. It's a really cool space down here to get out of the sun and cool off in the shade. So you can see that this space down here in the shade is absolutely expansive. Here's the hardscaping I was just talking about that ties into the pool decking up here. These walls were existing, but we came in and put the bluestone cap on here to make sure it looks fantastic. You can see the channel drain I was referring to make sure that everything stays dry here. That's not the only draining. We actually tied into the gutter system from the roof and made sure that that goes into the landscaping and filters out all the way out into the yard here. And you know, there's actually more we haven't touched on. We've got artificial turf up here. Let's take a look.
So who wants to mow around your pool when you can have artificial turf? And bonus points because it is actually cooler, so it won't burn your feet or get overheated out here in this space when you're already trying to cool off by the pool.
After a long day hanging out by the pool, enjoying the tanning ledge and your deck jets and your spillover spa, what is better than to end a summer night around the fire at an Earthadelic fire pit?
There's truly nothing better, nothing more relaxing. Have some s'mores, a glass of wine, some good beer, some good friends, some good tunes.
Yeah, we just extended the outdoor space. The pool is right behind you there. This beautiful fire pit with this flagstone that matches their pathways that go around the entire house. You get to check out the view of the jets and see your beautiful rock work on your boulder wall. This is perfect.
It's so relaxing. I love it.
I think I'm gonna move in.
You say that every time. Do I get to lose you to Kentucky finally? Josh, I thought we were leaving. Wake up.
Jellicoe is a huge mountain. I don't like driving over it.
Put your big panties on and let's go.
Panties?